For the ammo. Michael.
Did you see me try to slide it?
No, Ninner.
Hello. Green tip 556 and a blick too.
It's Michael to you.
Shoot it while I'm holding it.
Stop glazing yourself. You're carrying a fridge. Stop dropping my. Pick it up.
Dude, don't make me blow that bitch up.
Don't make me blow my shit.
It's a porta potty.
I would.
Okay.
That looks so
What
gross.
the
Wait,
fuck?
let me, I wanna sit.
Dude, this is like 2 years old, bro. What the?
Poop.
Yo, lay the drawers down inside it. He just came out. Whose idea was this? It's gonna blow up. Just get the damn door. Rico! Where?
Don't step. Don't step.
What's wrong?
Wait, no.
He just keeps going. My Rico! I was gonna drink those. I brought us drinks.
2 years ago. I've been waiting 2 years.
I was gonna use that record player to. Oh, come on.
Oh, come on. God.
That's Mason Test, bro.
Wait, hold on. Let's use one of these for the camera. Because these are clean.
God damn.
Oh, he just. Yo. All right, let's save it. Let's just blow it up. Put it down. Pretend like it's new.
Travis Scott.
Scott.
Tannerite.
In your.
On my butt.
I'm not responsible for death or injury.
Right.
I missed.
First shot, not bad at all. We're gonna move the GoPro because Seth ain't comfortable shooting a $500 camera. Set up. No bueno.
Can you grab my shoe real quick? I don't want to step on.
No.
Please.
No.
Rico. No.
Sure.
Careful.
Careful.
Hey, you aimed it at my toe.
Yeah. Don't worry about the shield.
I'm worried. Beta dodo.
Did you just kiss him?
No.
Yo!
Oh my god.
Dude, that was awesome. Gun safety, barrel down. Yo, holy shit.
Pound and a half.
Yeah, dude.
That was only a pound and a half.
That's insane.
Oh my god.
What the f happened to my fridge? What the f?
It's everywhere.
Move.
So you got that on. Oh yeah.
I bought this for my mother!
Put up another one.
More.
Dude. Holy shit. Fridge.
Some pop cans next.
He paid me to be here.
Hey, you ever seen somebody lick another person's
All right,
eyeball?
get out.
You Seth.
This is Zeus from Gravity Falls. What do you have to say, JT? Once again?
JT needs to.
He just,
Yeah.
he just, and that's probably where I sweat the most on my face too.
Caught in 4K, bro. I love the extra salt. Help! Get the away from me. I'll slash your ass.
Hey, me and Rico. Me and Rico be cuddling. Me and Rico be cuddling and watching Smack DVD.
I be looking at his dreads and shit.
Man, what's your opinion? What's your opinion on this?
That's why we call him Frico. You know, nothing new.
I mean, I brought my key with me just because. Oh my god!